there are 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Well, I'd like to add one more.